So today I am going to be putting these BoatBuckle ratchet straps on my trailer, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I've got to remove a few things to then put it on the trailer, but yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna be attaching these guys right where this U-bolt is. So I've got to go around to the other side and take it off. Alright, so we got that guy loosened. And now, so I got this stuff off. I just need to grab the U-bolt itself. It's a little snug in there. I might have to hammer it out, but I'm gonna try. Oh, there it goes. All right. So we got that. We're gonna set that over here. Now we gotta do this side. Ooh, whew. I don't watch my hands there. Okay, got one nut and bolt, or washer and bolt, my bad. Oh, there it goes. Probably put a little too much spray. That's okay, doesn't hurt anybody. Another bolt. Washer. Okay. Let's get this strap off. These are my old straps that I will be taking off. Let's get that I-beam out. I'm gonna move my transom saver. I might just take that thing off. All right. Okay. Got that bad boy out. Okay. I've got the teardrop here and the regular bolt here. I'm going to try and use these pre-existing holes. I have my hardware right here, but I'll put the other one through so I can mark it. But let's get the washer on here. Okay. I know I have a lock washer and a lock nut, but whatever. It'll work. Okay. That guy's on. Let's go grab a marker of some sort. Not really a good marker. I'll use this China marker. See what we can do with this. Okay, we're gonna want to get this as level as possible. Yeah, let's go a little bit lower. Okay. Looking good. Moved a little bit. All right. Mark that up. Okay. Now let's go drill that hole. All right. Ooh. Okay, let's get this guy going. Okay. All right, guys, we are back. I had to move my boat outside real quick, so that's what we did. So now we're gonna get the other side. We got that one side drilled out. So we're gonna pre-fit this guy and get a little mark on him, drill him out. Need to readjust that wheel for the boat, but for right now, let's just get a mark on that. All right, guys, so we got the first one on. Our bolt's down there, and I don't know if you guys can see it back there, but we got the lock washer and lock nut all cinched down. So now we're gonna do now I'm gonna get the second one on, and then I'll show you guys how they work right after that. So all right, guys, so I got the other one on now after some struggle. It wasn't working with me, but now that we got this guy on, I've got both of them on now, so I'll show you guys how this thing works. I already got this one on, so all right. So first, when you have it on, when you finally get this thing mounted on, it'll be locked, obviously. The little release tab here is what you want to press in and bring this guy all the way up till he sort of locks, and then this guy's free to move. So I'll take this guy and hook it on to my boat, and then from here you hit that release again to get it to where, and then you're going to pull up to make it tighter, and it should be good. This thing's tight, not going anywhere. So that's how you work on this one. Obviously you would do the second one, but I'm just showing this for now. I'll do that guy here in just a second, but yeah, that's how you add those boat buckles. They're not crazy expensive, but they're super nice. Better than the old straps that I had. These guys, a lot less, yeah, just a lot easier in general. So, but yeah,